Hello friends, in this session you will learn the basics of the straight line along with the method to find the slope of a line and the equation of a straight line passing through the two given points. Let us start the chapter. Now it is coordinate axis and it is the x-axis and perpendicular to this is line as y-axis. And suppose a line AB makes the angle theta with the x-axis. Therefore, slope of the line is denoted as m and it is equal to the tan theta. Now, we take an example. Suppose AB and CD are the lines which are parallel to the x-axis. Since these two lines are parallel to x-axis, therefore, these lines are making 0 degree axis, 0 degree with the x-axis. Therefore, slope of this line is equal to m is equal to tan theta, that is equal to tan 0 degree, that is equal to 0. Therefore, slope of the lines parallel to the x-axis or x-axis is 0. Now we take the second example. Suppose a line AB makes the angle 30 degree with the x-axis. Therefore, the slope of the line AB is equal to m tan theta, that is tan 30 degree, that is equal to 1 upon root 3. Therefore, slope of a line AB is 1 upon root 3. Now, we take the third example. Suppose line makes 90 degree with the x-axis. Suppose this line AB and line CD and again a y-axis. These are all perpendicular to the x-axis. Therefore, slope of line AB, y-axis, CD and the other lines perpendicular to x-axis is equal to m tan theta, that is tan 90 degree. Tan 90 degree is equal to infinite. We can take it is equal to 1 upon 0. Now we take the fourth example. Suppose a line AB makes an angle 120 degree anti-clockwise with the x-axis. Therefore, slope of the line AB is equal to m tan theta, that is tan 120 degree, and it is equal to tan 180 minus 60 degree, that is equal to minus tan 60 degree, that is minus root 3. All the lines which makes more than 90 degree with the x-axis is always negative. Now we come to the slope of line passing the 2 points. Let P and Q are 2 points whose coordinates are x1, y1 and x2, y2. And this line AB passes the 2 points P, Q. Now let this line AB makes the angle theta with the x-axis. Now we draw a perpendicular from P and Q on the x-axis and let they are M and N. We also draw a line PR parallel to the x-axis. Now this distance is x1 and this distance will be x2. Therefore, distance mn will equal to x2 minus x1. Since PR is parallel to x-axis, therefore PR is equal to mn. Therefore, PR will also be equal to x2 minus x1. Similarly, we can show that distance QR is y2 minus y1. Now, slope of the line AB passing through 2 points P, Q is tan theta. Therefore, slope of this line is tan theta. But by geometry, this angle QPR will also be equal to theta. Therefore, in this triangle, tan theta is equal to QR upon PR. Therefore, slope of the line will be QR upon PR, but QR is equal to y2 minus y1. Therefore, y2 minus y1 and PR is equal to x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1. Therefore, slope of the line passing the 2 points P, Q, whose coordinates are x1, y1 and x2, y2 is equal to the y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Now we come to the example. Suppose we have to find the slope of the line passing the 2 points A, 1, 1 and second point B, whose coordinates are 4, 4. We have already seen that the slope of the line passing the 2 points are y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Therefore, in this case also, slope will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus y1. That is 4 minus 1 upon 4 minus 1. That is 3 upon 3 is equal to 1. Now we take the second example. Suppose we have to find the slope of the line passing to a point A whose coordinate is 2, 1 and second point B whose coordinate are 4, 5. In this case, slope of the line passing to these 2 points will be 5 minus 1 upon 4 minus 2. That is 4 upon 2. That is slope of the line passing to these 2 points will be 2. Now suppose we have to find the equation of a line passing through a point P whose coordinates is x1, y1 with slope m. Suppose this point is P whose coordinates are x1, y1 and this line passing to this point P makes an angle theta anti-clockwise with x-axis. Now take a general point Q whose coordinates are x, y on this line. Now draw a perpendicular from P and Q. Suppose they are M and N. Therefore, this distance will be x1 and this distance will be x. Therefore, distance Mn will be x minus x1. We also draw a line PR parallel to the x-axis which meets R on this line. Then by geometry, PR is equal to Mn. Therefore, PR will also be x minus x1. Similarly, we can prove that QR is y minus y1. Now by geometry, angle QPR will also be equal to theta. Now in the triangle QPR, tan theta is equal to QR upon PR. And tan theta is equal to is known as slope, that is M is equal to QR PR, that is y minus y1 upon x minus x1. By cross multiplying, we get y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Therefore, it is an equation of a line passing through a point whose coordinates are x1, y1, and the line makes an angle slope m with the x-axis. Now we take an example. Find the equation of line passing to the point 2, minus 1, 3, making 60-degree anti-clockwise with the x-axis. In this case, x1 is equal to 2, x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to minus 3, and slope m is equal to tan 60, that is root 3. Since equation of a line is y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1, therefore in this case y minus, that is y plus 3, is equal to m is root 3 x minus 2. Implies that y plus 3 is equal to root 3x minus 2 root 3. Therefore, equation of a line is root 3x minus y is equal to 3 plus 2 root 3. Now we come to the second example. Find the equation of a line passing the 2, minus 3 parallel to y-axis. Let this point is 2, minus 3. This point is P, 2, minus 3, and it is parallel to x-axis. Therefore, line will be like this. Since it is parallel to the x-axis, therefore it makes 90-degree angle with the x-axis. Therefore, in this case, x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to minus 3, and slope of the line is m is equal to tan 90, and tan 90 is equal to infinity. We can take as 1 upon 0. In this case, equation is y minus y1 is minus 3, that is y plus 3 is equal to 1 upon 0 x minus 2. By cross multiplying, we get 0 is equal to x minus 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2 is the desired equation of a line passing to 2, minus 3 parallel to the y-axis. Now, we have to find the equation of line passing the 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2. We have already learned that slope of the line passing to the 2 points whose coordinates are x1, y1 and x2, y2, its slope is denoted as slope of the line is m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Therefore, we can find first equation of a line passing the 2 point x1, y1 with slope m. Therefore, equation of the line will be y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Implies that y minus y1 is equal to, we already know that m is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus y1. We will put here that it is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. We can also find the equation by assuming that line is passing to the second point q, x2, y2 with slope m. Therefore, in this case, we can write that y minus y2 is equal to m x minus x2. But already we know that m is equal to this. Therefore, equation will be y minus y2 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, x minus x2. We can find the equation of line either by assuming this equation or by assuming this. We take an example. Suppose we have to find the equation of a line passing through these 2 points. Therefore, in this case, slope m is equal to y2 minus y1, that is 3 minus 3 upon 4 minus 2, that is 3 plus 3 upon 4 minus 2, that is 6 upon 2, that is equal to 3. Now we can find the equation by using the formula that y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. Therefore, in this case, we are assuming x1 and y1 as this. Therefore, in this case, formula is y plus 3 is equal to m is 3, x1 is minus 2. Therefore, y plus 3 is equal to 3x minus 6. Therefore, equation is 3x minus y is equal to 3 plus 6. That is 3x minus y is equal to 9. We can also use the second formula that y minus y2 is equal to mx minus x2. In this case, y2 is 3, that is y minus 3 is equal to m is 3, x2 is 4, x minus 4. Therefore, y minus 3 is equal to 3x minus 12. Therefore, equation is 3x minus y is equal to 12 minus 3. That is 3x minus y is equal to 9. Now it is clear whether we use this formula or this formula, equation of line is coming same. So we can use either of these two formulas. It is all for today. Now I request you to subscribe my channel so that you may get the notification regarding my upcoming videos. Thank you.